In my opinion, no business sector has so many different and international jobs and professions than the tourism industry. No other is connected to such many other business sectors. So you can go on trips by yourself, for example, doing purchasing hotel capacities for tour operators. You can work as a flight controller, steer and manage international tourist traffic. You can develop and create fascinating worlds of experience for visitors and guests, such as a special wellness resort or a theme park. As IT specialist, you are able to write a perfect search algorithm to allow customers finding the ideal vacation package quickly and easily. Especially in the IT sector, there's already much more going on behind the scenes than is generally known. In general, tourism is a strongly internet and digitally driven industry, and a lot of people are often unaware of it since it usually happens in the background. Especially data analysts and specialists for digitalization and artificial intelligence are in high demand, and especially in the tourism industry. However, other business fields and sectors are connected to tourism industry as well. For example, financing, leasing or renting hotel, real estate, airplanes or cruise ships. The challenge to plan and realize integrated and strategic marketing or brand management for hotel chains or tour operators at an international level or by digital marketing. And those who are interested in fashion can, for example, manage the leasing of retail space in airports or large hotels, or develop appropriate stocking concepts. And in case you like cars, you can manage the purchase planning for tourism car rental and destinations, or design special driving experiences as part of a vacation, such as around Formula 1 in Abu Dhabi. Well, the most exciting career is always what someone specifically likes and wants. That is where you usually have the most individual success and fun. And there's a wide choice. To give you a few examples, it's great to travel the world and effect negotiations, for example, purchase of hotel stays for a tour operator. Deals worth millions can be done during afternoon at the hotel pool. Others love to develop a strategy for the market growth of the company or for the introduction of new offers or products. And if you like to be directly at the customer side and shape the special travel experiences in a very concrete way, you may, for instance, do the redesign and rebranding of tourist hotel brands and partner hotels. By the way, in each of those fields our graduates and lecturers are working too, so we know it's fun and works for a lasting career as well. In tourism, strategic planning, knowledge and a good feeling for trends and future developments is well paid. Also, efficient steering of infrastructure and personnel is important and also well paid. Just because you need to be well trained, intelligent, business keen and engaged if you want to do such work in a successful way. In general, strategic thinking, trend analysis and bringing this into successful business is very important. You have to be strategic, but also be able to bring your strategy and plan into successful real business and products that are well accepted by customers. As we know, cruise industry will have a permanent boom. Hotels and hospitality will remain the core subject and core attraction of many holiday trips, even if holiday houses and caravaning are also booming. And people's curiosity on other countries and new experiences will remain and grow. Therefore, tour operators who develop and open up something like this will always have a right to exist. Destinations in general will become more and more important as they need to have or develop a good, safe and attractive image for customers. This will be one of the cross-sectional competencies of future tourism professionals. Just like sustainability, which is becoming increasingly important for more and more travelers.